Every morning and every night, you perform a trusted routine to scrub your teeth and keep your mouth healthy. Behind that minty flavor, you are actually scrubbing your sensitive gum tissue with harsh industrial floor degreasers and the same raw plastics used to manufacture grocery bags. While the dental industry focuses on marketing the foam, the FDA officially confirmed the presence of these industrial compounds in common tubes. The daily ritual you have trusted your entire life is an engineered cosmetic omission, and understanding what is actually inside your medicine cabinet changes how you view your health. If you check the back of a standard tube, you will likely find sodium lauryl sulfate, or SLS. This synthetic surfactant is the exact chemical detergent used to strip grime off car engines and clean heavy-duty equipment. This foaming action does nothing to actually clean your teeth, but it aggressively strips the mouth's mucosal lining. In peer-reviewed research, this specific chemical is directly linked to an increased frequency of painful canker sores. The paste itself often contains polyethylene, which is frequently marketed to consumers as microscopic scrubbing beads. These are solid plastic particles. As you brush, these microscopic boulders permanently embed themselves into your gum tissue, as your body has no biological way to absorb or release them. You may also find titanium dioxide, a whitening agent that European safety authorities recently flagged as a possible carcinogen when ingested. This is the same pigment used in household wall paint. It is pumped into the mixture solely to make a toxic-tasting slurry look bright white and medically clean. This tube functions as a mass-marketed industrial compound rather than a health product, leaving a clear need for a biological alternative that works with your body. Commercial tube toothpaste didn't appear until the late 19th century, arriving as a modern mask for a very specific problem. The rise of tooth decay tracks perfectly with the industrialization of food and the mass introduction of refined sugar, creating a cavity epidemic that did not exist at this scale in the past. Ancient skulls frequently show perfectly intact teeth, demonstrating that humans maintained oral health long before the invention of synthetic fluoride pastes. For thousands of years, cultures across 6 continents maintained their teeth using functional, natural compounds like charcoal, salts, roots, and raw volcanic clay. The shift to mass-produced toothpaste coincided with the diet that created the decay, replacing centuries of successful organic practice with a profitable industrial solution. The primary tool in this ancient fix is bentonite clay, a volcanic ash that settled into ancient seabeds millions of years ago to become highly mineralized. When bentonite clay contacts water, it undergoes a specific electrochemical change, developing a powerful negative electrical charge across its microscopic surface. Most of the bacteria, heavy metals, and toxins that cause decay and bad breath naturally carry a positive electrical charge. Through a process of ion exchange, the clay acts like a molecular magnet. It pulls those positively charged toxins off your enamel and binds them securely inside its own structure. Tooth enamel functions as a living, crystalline structure in a state of constant biological exchange with your saliva. While detergents break this structure down, bentonite provides the calcium, magnesium, and silica your teeth use to naturally remineralize and rebuild themselves. Utilizing these principles of physics and remineralization makes volcanic ash biologically superior to the cosmetic scratching provided by engineered pastes. You can bypass the pharmaceutical aisle entirely by building a permanent, chemical-free replacement for about $2 a month. The base requires 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay to serve as the primary magnetic binder for toxins. Next, add 1 tablespoon of baking soda to aggressively flip the pH of your mouth, making it impossible for cavity-causing bacteria to multiply. Add half a teaspoon of finely ground sea salt, which acts as a natural antibacterial to disrupt bacterial cell walls. Mix in peppermint or ancient myrrh oil to add a familiar scent and powerful documented antibacterial properties to the dry powder. This 3-ingredient formula provides complete biological care, removing the need for corporate chemical products. During the first 2 weeks, your brain will go through detergent withdrawal. The powder feels gritty and won't foam because you have been conditioned to believe bubbles equal cleanliness. Within 30 days, the bacterial biofilm disappears, leaving teeth feeling impossibly smooth. Gums stop bleeding, and canker sores often cease once the industrial detergents are removed. While professional cleanings are necessary, the products in the waiting room are often manufactured by the same corporations that profit from these synthetic mixtures. Your body is a biological system designed to recognize natural minerals rather than industrial plasmaring.